Thanks. New guidelines have been implemented for visitors at Mercy Hospital in Fort Smith. For months, no visitors were allowed, but that all changes tomorrow. There will still be restrictions given Arkansas is still in a health emergency. 5 News reporter Nick Camper gives us more details on the new rules.
Being in the hospital is a tough time for families. Patients, they want to be surrounded by the ones they love. For months, this was not an option until now. Effective Friday, September 11th, Mercy Hospital in Fort Smith will have new guidelines for visitors. Each patient will get 1 visitor per day. They will be allowed in from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Visitors will wear a wristband once they go through screening at the door. They will be told to remain in the patient room throughout the whole time. The Mercy affiliates in Boonville, Ozark, Paris, and Waldron will also follow the same guidelines. For those patients who have tested positive for COVID-19, they will not be allowed to have people visit during this time. Mercy says they will continue to maintain rigorous cleaning protocols at all facilities. In Fort Smith, covering news where you live, Nick Camper, 5 News.